Mayambu taramna oksari social media ki yamna maru weba e paw update kiram yamna share tawzage the frontier manipur ki facebook ki post amada thagalakpa maru weba matang yamna share tawzage rims ki director na students singda yamna phajadaba akampet oiba wahiwata sing sizinaba amasung satra nupi macha singda threat tawi haibagi wafum khara social media da phongdoknarakli students sing aduna DM campus ta protect tawduna rims ki director bu resignation tawgadabani haidun akanba demand tawrakre hairi Satra Singna Fongdorakli thamlakpa wafum sing myampu na taminasi.
Please go on.
At first, I want to clarify that before entering into the director's office chamber, all the security guards checked so that no phone can be allowed inside the director's office, so that no video evidence can be recorded. And after that, after entering, director was scolding casually, but after Dean ma'am said about all these things, then director is saying, "You fucking bastard! Do you think you are the boss? Do you want to spend the whole life in dreams? I will suspend you for the lifetime." Then he was saying that you want to commit suicide, I will hang you. And after that, the boys get out of the chamber and call the girls. Then after that, the girls are called upon, and the director told them to strip naked, नंगा करके छोड़ दूंगा ऐसा बोल रहा था. और क्या बोलूं मतलब
there was a lot of humiliation, a lot of threats
in front of dean and four sub-deans, but they are still silent. And he was saying that I will strip you naked and dance in front of me. And he was asking dean ma'am whether we should do it or not.
So that was the director of the RIMS.
Yes.
Making out threats using vulgar words
to the students.
Yes.
And especially the girl students.
Okay.
So do you guys want to get naked in front of us and dance? And all these in a very intimidating way. And we got so afraid that we felt like they were going to strip us naked. And these statements were repeated like 2 to 3 times.
So that was words which were coming from the director of the
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences.
Can you mention his name?
Professor Sunil Singh.
Sunil
Professor
Sunil Kumar Sharma. So he also made out threats to the students that saying
the boys were specially called inside, and they were said, "Do you want to hear some F words? Do you want us to abuse you?" And then they were said, "We'll hang you upside down. Do you want to commit suicide? I want you guys to go to hell." These statements were made, and all the dean and all the sub-deans were present there, and they didn't make any comment.
So where did this particular threats made out? Which place? The director's office. And on which date did it happen?
2nd May.
2nd May, no? So how many students were called to the office?
All the student union, along with the 2 houses that went for picnic, captain and vice captain, they were called. Then after that, the boys were called separately, and they were scolded very badly. After that, the girls, during the time when they were scolding the girls were sent out. And after that, done with that scolding of the boys, they called the girls inside, like in this one, separately. Then they started calling us like this thing. Like starting with, they were saying like beta, like you can't do like this, like that. But after that, like some words from the deans and sub-deans, I think it instigated the director, and he said like, "You want to get naked?" And then after that, he said like, "We'll just strip your clothes, then you just dance in front of us." He said these things, and this thing was repeated like 2 to 3 times. We couldn't. One time also, it's very bad for us, and like he is stating the same event, just asking the dean like, "Should we do this?" Again and again, 3 to 4 times. Like, you can't see that.
So these were very vulgar statements made by the director of RIMS to the students, right? So what is now the demand of the students? What would you like to be done?
We want all the authorities to resign.
Okay. Hujik tholiba apai issues sida Manipurda Regional Institute of Medical Sciences ki anova yamna scandalous oiba adugumba issue ama tholai karam issue no haiba kan sida medical students me amda apai gi RIMS ki director amadi dean amadi atop administrative staff sida apai gi picnic chalu angang sida apai Fi Thongdaba apai yam vulgar oiba wahai me am masina kan sida threat wa amadi mapan dai tamiba medical Satra Singna hostel thadok ro haiba maral sibada agang singsida yamna punishment wangna akhoi yamna phajda mong da adu mong mayam tawi haiduna akhoi medical satra mayam rims ki medical satra singna si protest tawre amadi rims ki director amadi tongan ba hojik haiba team amadi staff singse they have to be removed haiba protest ama kholawma lauri makha taw kai tage kai lege haiba sisu amu makha tan yengmenas
makha tarakpa update operation sindura si Indian pahalgam da misam sing hat khiba adugi pakhumni haina Union Home Minister Amit Shah na phongdokre Indian Armed Forces sing Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupy Kashmir da laiba terrorist sing tungan ba kiem mapam mapan da sathakiba missile attack sing adubu thagat pa phongdokpa ga loinena operation sindura si India gi khwaidagi akanba pahalgam terror attack adugi pakhum oina terrorist sing gi mathakta sathaba attack ni haina Union Home Minister Amit Shah na phongdokre Indian Armed Forces na ngasi ayuk angan bada Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupy Kashmir ki terrorist singi group Jaisi Muhammad ki stronghold oriba Bahalpur amasung Laskar i toibagi murid ke da laiba base yauna tungan ba mapam mapanda missile attack sing sathaki Union Minister Amit Shah na ex ta thakat post ta aikhoi gi Armed Forces ki damakta sauthok jaba phawi Operation Sindura si India ki Pahalgam terror attack ta aikhoi gi samjarba miyam hat ki ba adugi sabsaba pakhomni haina mahangna ex ta phongdokhi mahangna makhata na hai Modi government asina India amasung India ki citizen singda satharaki ba attack singda matik saba akanba pakhum pigani Modi government asina India amasung mahaki miyam da torokpa attack khudimak sabsaba pakhum pigani haina wasakpa laikhre haiba wafam sing Amit Shah na phongdokhi makha tarakpa update terrorism thengnabada Russia gi maikidagi India na lakhulakpa khongthang pummakpu mapung phana sawgatkani haina Russia gi president Putin na phongdokre terrorism thengnabada Russia gi maikidagi India na lakhulakpa khongthang khudingmak mapung phana sawgatkani haina Putin na phongdokre Russia gi president Vladimir Putin na prime minister Narendra Modi da phone tawrtuna April 22 gi Pahalgam terror attack adubu yamna condemn tawbaga loinena India na terrorism gi lanthengnabada sathariba khongjang pumnamakta Russia gi maikidagi mapung phana mating pigani haina thajab pirakre hairi Pahalgam terrorist attack ta laikhidraba singi mafamda Putin na thamoi songna nuaitaba su phongdokhi hairi thodogadu senaba punumak amadi makhoibu mating panglamba sing matik saba serak pigidabani haiba wafam thamlakhi haina external affairs ki wangangloi Randir Jaiwala na mahaki social media post amada phongdokhibani loinena sahi asi loisilakpada India da lebak ani gi oiba annual summit pangthokpada Putin su saruk yanaba invite tawkhi haina mahakna makhata na phongdorakle ningsingba yai April 22 gi Jammu and Kashmir gi terror attack adugi pakhum oina ngasi nungalamdai de Indian army na terrorist singi camp sing da attack chathapa haukrabani